Are you trying to decide between buffer and later for your social media needs? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools to help you choose the right one for you. Both buffer and later are designed to help you manage your social media accounts. They allow you to schedule posts, analyze performance, and save time. But they each have their unique strengths. Let's start with Buffer. Buffer is known for its simplicity. It offers a clean interface that makes scheduling posts easy. You can connect multiple social media accounts and plan your content in advance. Buffer also provides insightful analytics so you can see how your posts are performing. Now, let's look at Later. Later shines when it comes to visual planning. It's especially popular among Instagram users. With Later, you can drag and drop images onto a calendar. This makes it easy to see how your feed will look. Later also supports video and has features for user generated content. So, what are the key differences? Buffer focuses more on text based posts and analytics, while Later is all about visual content. If you're into Instagram or Pinterest, Later might be the better choice. But if you need a tool for various platforms, Buffer could be more suitable. When it comes to features, both tools offer scheduling and analytics. Buffer has a straightforward posting schedule, while Later allows you to plan visually. Later also has a media library to organize your images, something Buffer lacks. In terms of pricing, both tools have free plans, but they also offer paid options for more features. Buffer tends to be more affordable for basic needs, while Later's pricing can increase based on the number of social profiles you manage. In the end, if you prioritize visuals and Instagram, go with Later. If you want a simple and effective tool for multiple platforms, Buffer is your best bet. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.